All right, good morning. It's Oingo Boingo Tuesday. And also, what else is it called, Abigail?
Taco Tuesday.
I'm sorry, we didn't hear you. What?
Taco Tuesday.
And it's also Tickle Tuesday, so when I woke the girls up, I was tickling them. Right? Did I tickle you this morning? I know, Taco
I
Tuesday.
have a new bag.
That's right, you do. Even though it says Emily on it.
Yeah.
It's Abigail.
Mommy says she put a sticker
Inside.
inside.
Well, maybe she didn't, because she asked me if it's okay if it says Emily. Because everybody knows Emily's your sister, right?
Not every.
Well, everybody will know now. All right, we got to get to school. We're running a little bit behind, so here we go. All right. Good morning. It's beautiful out. Sun's shining. Trees are blooming. Music's playing. Kids are in the car. Time to go to school. You ready, Abigail?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Back of the car, Emily, please.
Have you seen my new house? Looks just like a doghouse.
So do you girls like Oingo Boingo? Some crazy music, isn't it?
Have you seen my new house?
Yeah. Danny Elfman, man, he's a musical genius. He's the man who sings in Oingo Boingo, and he writes most of the lyrics. He makes music for movies now. He went from making music for kids to making music for movies on the big screen. Done a lot of big movies. All right, you girls ready for a fantastic Tuesday? What's today, Emily? Tickle Tuesday?
Taco.
It's Taco Tuesday? It's Tired Tuesday for Emily.
It's Taco and Tired Tuesday for me.
Is it?
No, Terrible Tuesday for me.
Not terrible.
Yes.
No, it's gonna be a great Tuesday.
Everybody in my class goes Terrible Tuesday because we're terrible on Tuesday,
No.
like every day.
No.
Yes, we are, Daddy.
It's
You're not even
dance-
in my class.
I know. It's Dancing with the Stars Hangover Day.
Oh my gosh, that was Reagan.
It was Reagan?
I thought that was.
So busy day in the carpool line seeing people. Saw Cecile first heading out on Marvin Road. Then I saw Teddy Creppin heading out at the other end of school. The first time I saw him in the carpool line. Then I saw Jason, who lives up the street from us. Then I saw Lynn and Tim's dad dropping them off. Just about everybody in the traffic line. All right, parked in a different spot today because I'm doing a little something different. Doing a little yard work. Got to cut those trees up. Wish me luck. Hopefully I don't get cut too much or scratched. All right, so here's the before. Before I put all the trees and stuff in the driveway, and then I'm gonna cut them. Figure it'd be easier to do it up here on the driveway. Easier cleanup too. All right, like I said, here's the before. Voila. All right, so the sinkhole guys are back out. They're in the back looking at the hole. They don't know what's going on with it. City of Charlotte car here. They're basically pointing fingers at other people. You know, we'll figure it out. You know, they're gonna bring out the manufacturer of the foam that they stuck in the hole. They're gonna bring out the contractor who oversaw everything here, and they're also gonna bring out the people who did the work here and say, here's what the problem we have. Let me know how you're gonna fix it. Because the city of Charlotte paid for them to do something, and it should be done correctly, and it's not. So, their problem. Yeah, it only took me all day to do that, so here's the after. Voila. It's quite a pile of stuff. Yeah. I guess I'll just set it on fire. So you had a weird dream that a bee stung you?
Yeah, but it didn't hurt.
Last night? That's too bad. Well, I'm glad you didn't really get stung. Look at all those trees, huh? That's a lot of trees, huh?
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's a lot, huh? Your dad was busy today, huh?
Wait
Wait till you see the backyard. It's cleaner.
to see now?
Yeah, go ahead. Well, those are heavy. I'm gonna let you guys help me carry the big, heavy logs.
Why do we have to do that?
Child labor, because it's free. Let's go back to the other day, and voila! All right, here's the after. All done. Well, still got cleanup to do, but the tree's gone. Nice blue open sky now here. And now we're back. Looks quite different, doesn't it? All right, we can go in the back porch.
What's that doing?
Oh, there's bees in front too. Come on. Yep. Look at the other side of the porch.
Whoa.
Yep. Now you can see out the other side. Pretty cool, huh?
How'd you do that?
I cut them down.
Yes.
Actually, I cut the bee yesterday. There was a yellow jacket over there in the corner.
Oh my god.
It was different, huh?
Wait, so you're there? What was
It
there?
wasn't a tree, no. It was like a. It wasn't a bush. It was some kind of tree. It was just rotten.
But like, so I mean, this is weird though. Like, is this just gonna grow back?
It's a big pile of trees. I'm impressed. Yep. Good luck to whoever cleans that up. It'll probably take them 20 minutes to chip that up.
Wild people
So we're out in the car trying to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner.
in the car.
I'm just
We
driving around.
haven't had Chick-fil-A
driving
in a
around.
while.
And Daddy hasn't lost it yet. He's quiet though.
We haven't had Chick-fil-A in a while.
Yeah, we're about to lose it.
Eyeball.
And now the girls just said, "Oh, well, yeah, we'll go for whatever. We're okay with whatever."
I want to have Bojangles.
Yeah, I doubt it. You want to have Bojangles? Okay.
I mean Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A, huh?
We haven't had Chick-fil-A in a while.
That's a good thing. Nope, I'm boycotting Smash Burger
What
and
about
Burger 21
There.
Why?
because those burgers aren't big enough.
So, I like them.
I like them too, but they're just not big enough.
Hey guys, but no, I want bangs. I want to tell them the other day. I want bangs, but I'm rocking it with my hair on my eyes.
Rocking it.
But can I tell you something? Mommy will not go like every week to get your bangs cut. They grow.
So we're going to Harris Teeter. No.
What is social?
Oh, social coordinator?
Have a social night and I'm coordinated.
Look at my jacket.
Mommy's going to be the social
I think
coordinator for the church
we might
group.
go make a canvas painting. Do you think Mommy can do that?
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. I love to draw, Mom.
Oh, wine and paint?
Here, go here. Yeah, wine and paint, but I think it's,
Guys,
I might
Mama,
have
can
found
you
one
do
at
this?
the Fox and Hound in Balance.
Mom, can you
They do it there?
A company goes down there to different locations.
Really?
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Mom?
Nope. No, it's for the group, honey.
The other thing I was thinking was just having a social night and having everyone come over to our house and hang out on the floor. With the,
Where are we going to dinner?
I forgot the place.
Says right up there, Chili's.
Good chilling.
We're chilling at Chili's.
Wait,
Chilling.
coloring books.
We're chilling at Chili's.
Wait, do they have?
so look,
Yeah, we had a spill.
I'll get it.
This time Daddy didn't catch it on video.
Emily, look how you have that thing on your plate. That's part of the problem. You're not
Can you go sit down, Emily, Abigail?
What?
Get out of there. It's not a puddle to play in, Abigail. I can't believe we're fighting about dessert.
No. Last time I just got to pick. What do you guys like better? This? Or cream ice cream? Or ice cream?
All right, we'll just get this and share it. So yeah, we just had ice cream at Cold Stone Creamery. What a night. Is that yummy, Abigail?
Yeah, but
Is it all over you?
I have some napkins in the car.
everywhere.
All right, I have wipes. Come over to my door. It's okay. It's okay.
Here, give me that, honey. Give me that. Give me that.
Put your hands out, and then I'll get you something.
Hey, Emily.
What?
I just wanted to show everyone the sunset. Look at that. Couple pink clouds. Playing out in the distance, doing some vapor trails. Yeah, it doesn't look too safe to put your bike on there.
Hey guys, right now I'm just getting ready for bed, but I'm just waiting for somebody to stop. Well, he needs to do some stuff, and I'm gonna be going to bed soon. And I'll see you in the morning because tomorrow is Wednesday. Mom! Here. Mommy, what is tomorrow?
Wednesday,
Wednesday what?
April 1st.
Oh, Wednesday, April 1st is April Fool's. So I had a trick on Daddy and to vlog this. So he hates snow. So my trick is to trick him on. Wait, I'm going to vlog this, don't worry. I'm going to see you in the morning. Right in the morning. I'm going to... First, I'm going to walk in his room and say, Daddy, it's snowy. I can't go to school. And then he's going to be like, yeah. But if he actually does that, it won't be a good trick. So I think I'm going to think of another trick. And when I come up with something... Oh, I know what it is. I'm going to say the Rangers lost. The Ranger game is on, but he's not watching. He's just watching repeat after me. So, yeah. 107, 108, 109, and 109 pennies. That's just weird. Now I've got to go. Bye. See you in the morning. And have a nice day.
Hey, thanks for watching the vlog. Appreciate you coming out. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you liked it, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to see some more of us. Invite all your friends and tell them to check out the Ryebreads. Don't forget to take your vitamins, eat your cornbread, have good times. Remember, wake up with a smile on your face, have fun every day. Life's a journey. Enjoy it. Love being here on YouTube. Glad you found us. Once again, tell your friends to check us out. We'll have some fun. Don't forget to comment below. Tell us what you think.